Hello, this is Krishna. 1 years ago, I know only one two sentence. One sentence, what is your name? And one sentence, what is your father's name? But now, I can easily speak and express my thought. I am not completely fluent yet, but I am an intermediate learner. How was this is possible without any expensive course or native English speaker around me? If you want to learn English, first try to speak. The first time you try, you will get nervous and no word will come to mind. Don't worry, this is completely common. Everyone goes thought it. After 1 or 2 months of practice, you will be able to speak, even if your grammar isn't perfect. At first time, don't feel nervous. Practice every day in front of a mirror. You can also open your mobile phone and record yourself, then listening back to catch your mistake. Keep listening to your voice to see how you can improve.